You pull up in an unmarked white van, park it next to the McDonald's franchise, and you start selling the Big Macs. The exact same burger, same wrapper, same taste, same price. That's exactly what's happening on the YouTube feed. You watch Hormozy's How to Start an Online Business from Scratch, and then you see mine. Mine could be 10 times better. It doesn't matter. You've just had your Big Mac and I'm a stranger in a white van. So let me show you how to fix it. There are only 3 steps. Build your channel around the weirdest idea you have. Let it reach 500 fans. Leverage the first ever ran for you online business. When you have 0 subs and 15 views, copy what works, puts you straight into the white van. Title and thumbnail are the gatekeepers, but not in terms of the design and how hooky and catchy they are, but topic, the idea behind the channel. So here is how to find yours. Ask this simple question. What is the one thing you could share with just about anyone you know and they would instantly go, whoa, weird. That's thing you desperately want to talk about, or to build a tribe around it. That is your sign. Listen, the universal law implies this. The desire you have unquestionably means that there is someone out there who needs to receive it. And here's the bonus part. Being weird confuses the algorithm. It doesn't know where to put you, so it has to test you with a lot more different audiences. That means more impressions. Plus, you're no longer selling Big Macs from a white van. You're the guy putting prime ribs in pizza dough. And trust me, among 2.7 billion active users on YouTube, I guarantee you that there are 500 people who would eat that prime rib 5 times a week. And there is absolutely no other place to get it aside from you, and that's the winning formula. Let me show you why 500 fans and a premium digital product. And don't worry, you don't have to build one. I'll explain you in a moment. Premium product is worth $3,000 that you're selling for $497. 500 fans times $497. That's $248,500 a year. $17 a month membership. That's another $8,500 a month. That's $102,000 a year. Add just 5 high-ticket clients at $4,000. That's another $240,000 a year. Around $600,000 a year by being weird and posting 2 videos a week for 90 days. But now comes the question, how do I get the premium product? Why would someone pay me $17 a month? Or who's going to help me land 5 high-ticket clients? And that's where the infrastructure for weird geniuses come in. It's called coursesaservice.com. But forget the name. Here's what it actually is. It's the first ever ran for you online business. Think of SaaS, but for your entire business. A team of 12 people, membership built for you, premium digital products built for you, hosting ready, payments integrated, emails ready, calendars, live calls, support, tech, infrastructure, onboarding. And please, now listen carefully because I'm just as weird as you are. You keep 100% of the revenue you make and 100% of the monthly recurring revenue, all of it. We don't touch a dime from the money you make. And you have 1 subscription fee. We run the business. You keep the money. You need 1 to 2 videos a week and you need a bank account. That's it. For your weird idea to shine, the one that can change the freaking world, you need space. Not just money, you need a peace of mind. No business worries, no funnels, no tech, no hiring, no managing, accounting, none of that. That's why coursesaservice.com exists. To give you the infrastructure where on a bad month you can make $15,000 a month. Remember, the world needs your weird, and now you can fund it.